This video marks our last discussion before the RS4 and RS4 Pro camera gimbals are officially launched. So, we've been keeping a close eye on the rumor mill, and it seems like the folks over at DJI are gearing up to drop something big before the highly anticipated Avatar 2 drone hits the shelves. And guess what? All signs point to the release of not one but two awesome new products, the RS4 and RS4 Pro camera gimbals. Trusted sources, including the likes of Quadro News and Jasper Ellens, have been buzzing with leaks and teasers about DJI's latest offerings. While much of the spotlight has been on the upcoming Avatar 2 FPV drone, DJI has confirmed that there's more in store for us before April 11th rolls around. According to the leaks from Quadro News and corroborated by Roland Quant, the RS4 series is set to pack some serious punch. We're talking second-generation vertical scanning, an extended tilt axis, and DJI's cutting-edge 4th-generation stabilization algorithm. With a hefty 3 kilograms load capacity, Bluetooth control, and support for DJI Focus Pro, these gimbals are shaping up to be powerhouse tools for photographers and videographers alike. But perhaps the most exciting rumor is about the battery life. It's said the RS4 Pro model could go for a mind-blowing 29 hours on a single charge. That's a whole lot of shooting without having to worry about running out of juice. And let's not forget about the accessories. DJI seems to be going all out with carry cases, USB cables, and mounts included in the package, ensuring you have everything you need to elevate your content creation game. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the price. If leaks are accurate, the RS4 and RS4 Pro will be available in combo packages priced at €719 and €869 respectively. Not bad for gear packed with this level of functionality. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more content just like this. And don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts on DJI's latest offerings. Until next time, happy filming.